Cathode ray tube. A cathode ray tube is an electronic device used to convert the electrical signals into visual signals. The main parts of a cathode ray tube are evacuated glass tube, electron gun, deflecting system, fluorescent screen, evacuated glass tube. It is a specially designed glass tube evacuated to a pressure of 10 to the -4 to 10 to the -3 millimeters of mercury. Electron gun. An electron gun consists of the following parts. Cathode. Cathode is a U-shaped tube made of platinum or tungsten coated with a mixture of barium and strontium oxides. Current is applied to the heating filament located inside the cathode to heat it indirectly to a high temperature. As a result, the cathode emits a large number of electrons by thermionic emission. Grid. It is a nickel cylinder which encloses the heating filament and the cathode. It is maintained at a negative potential with respect to the cathode. As a result, the electrons form a beam because of the potential difference between the cathode and the grid. This electron beam is then accelerated by the anode A1. Another anode A2, cylindrical in shape and located behind A1, is used to focus the electron beam. Fluorescent screen. This screen is coated with some fluorescent material called phosphor on which the bright spot of the electron beam is obtained. The color of the light depends upon the nature of the fluorescent material. For example, the screen coated with soda glass or zinc orthosilicate gives off green light when an electron beam strikes it, whereas cadmium and calcium coated screen gives off a bluish light. Deflecting system. There are two sets of deflecting plates. When a potential difference is applied to Y' plates, it deflects the beam in a vertical plane. As a result, the spot moves vertically up and down in response to the applied voltage, and it traces out a straight line on the screen. Similarly, when a potential difference or AC signal time-base voltage is applied to XX- plates, it makes the spot move in a horizontal direction. Applying a sinusoidal signal, the spot reaches the end of the screen and again flies back to the starting point, tracing out a straight line on the screen. Summary. The cathode ray tube consists of an evacuated glass tube, an electron gun, accelerating and focusing anodes, a deflecting system, and a fluorescent screen. A cathode ray tube is an electronic device used to convert the electrical signals into visual signals.